If you're taking your first step into the world of CNC milling, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explore the must-have tools and accessories that will not only simplify, but also enhance your CNC journey. Here at mechmindshub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Hang tight and stay with us until the end as we unravel the key equipment that will make your CNC experience smooth and enjoyable. Number 1. End mills. End mills are like your go-to pals in the world of CNC milling, especially if you're just starting out. They come in different types and sizes, each with its own job for cutting stuff and handling different tasks. Picture flat end mills as the reliable ones, good for basic cutting jobs. Then there are the ball nose end mills, great for making smooth curves. And of course, there are corner radius end mills, perfect for dealing with sharp corners. To pick the right one, think about what material you're working on, how deep you want to cut, and the kind of surface finish you want. Having a mix of these end mills is like having a solid toolkit for your CNC milling adventures, making sure you're ready for whatever comes your way. Number 2. Collets and tool holders. Think of collets and tool holders as dependable assistants in CNC milling. Their main job is to securely hold onto end mills and cutting tools within the machine's spindle. For beginners in the world of CNC, it's a wise move to invest in quality collets and tool holders. This ensures that your tools stay in place, promoting accuracy when you're working on different cutting tasks. Opting for precision collets and holders not only makes everything more stable, but also reduces any tool wobbling, resulting in a smoother and more reliable milling experience. These components act like a solid base, providing the stability needed for consistent and accurate results in your CNC milling endeavors. Number 3. Cutting fluids and lubricants. Cutting fluids are crucial in CNC milling, acting like helpers that keep everything running smoothly. They make sure both the cutting tool and the material stay cool and well lubricated during milling. For beginners, it's important to understand why these fluids matter. They help your tools last longer and prevent heat-related issues. Choosing the right cutting fluid is like picking the right tool. You need one that fits the materials you're working with. Water-soluble coolants and cutting oils are common choices, each with its own benefits depending on what you're machining. So, cutting fluids are reliable partners, ensuring a smooth operation and a longer lifespan for your milling tools. Number 4. Dial indicators and edge finders. As you set up your workpiece on the milling machine, dial indicators act like your measuring companions, allowing you to detect minute shifts with remarkable precision. They ensure everything aligns precisely. Now, edge finders step in as your CNC positioning aids. When pinpoint accuracy is needed to locate the edges of your workpiece, these tools come into play. Placing dial indicators and edge finders at number 4 underscores their significance in achieving meticulous setups for successful CNC milling. Number 5. Work holding solutions. Securing your workpieces is like setting the stage for a successful CNC milling performance. Making work holding solutions our 5th essential. It's not just about holding things down, it's about doing it right. For those starting out, think of work holding like choosing the right seat at a concert. It matters. You've got options like vices, clamps, and fixtures, each playing a role based on what you're working on. Imagine vices as the solid grip for standard jobs, clamps as the versatile buddies, and fixtures as the specialized tools for unique shapes. Picking the right work holding solution is your way of saying, stay put, we've got precision here. It ensures stability, keeping vibrations and unwanted movements in check during the whole machining show. So, when it comes to work holding, consider it your backstage pass to a smooth CNC milling experience, where stability is the real VIP. Number 6. CNC software. When it comes to CNC software, think of it as the essential guide for your milling journey. It's a big deal, especially for beginners. You'll want user-friendly CAM or computer-aided manufacturing software. This software does important things. It plans toolpaths, turns your designs into machine-friendly code, and fine-tunes the machining process. It's like having a backstage pass to the entire operation. Here's the key. Get software with solid simulation features. It's a preview before the actual work, a practice run to iron out any issues for beginners. So, investing in good CNC software is your ticket to a smooth milling experience, where you're in control of the whole process. Number 7. Tool Length Setter. The tool length setter is a crucial tool for beginners in CNC milling. It helps measure and set the length of cutting tools accurately. So, why is it on our list? This tool acts as a guide, making sure your CNC machine starts from the correct point every time, ensuring consistent and precise results. By using a tool length setter, you reduce setup time and eliminate the need for manual measurements. This not only boosts efficiency but also enhances precision in your machining process. In essence, the tool length setter is your reliable companion for setting the stage right and making your CNC journey smoother. Number 8. Digital Calipers. Now, digital calipers are like the essential assistants for beginners in CNC milling. Think of them as your go-to measuring tools, versatile and necessary. Adding them makes sense because these calipers act as precision guides in your toolkit. They provide quick, reliable measurements, ensuring your workpiece dimensions and tool offsets are on point. Consider them your reliable companions, helping everything align perfectly. Having accurate measurements isn't just nice to have, it's fundamental for getting the results you want in CNC machining. Number 9. Chip Management Tools. Now, let's talk about chip management tools and why they're crucial for beginners in CNC milling. These tools, including chip brushes, air blow guns, and vacuum systems, are your cleanup crew, ensuring a tidy and safe machining space. Placing them at number 9 makes sense because efficient chip management is key. Equipping yourself with these tools helps remove chips and debris, keeping your work area clean. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about maintaining a clear view and preventing chip buildup that could mess with your surface finishes and tool performance. So, chip management tools are your essentials for a clean and efficient CNC milling environment, making sure you see clearly and your tools perform at their best. Number 10. Personal Protective Equipment or PPE. Let's talk about personal protective equipment or PPE and why it's paramount, especially for beginners in CNC milling. Safety is a must, and that's why having PPE like safety glasses, hearing protection, and suitable clothing is essential. Placing it at number 10 emphasizes the importance of prioritizing safety. Investing in PPE safeguards against potential hazards, from flying chips to coolant splashes and machine noise. This isn't just about meeting regulations, it's about creating a secure working environment. Prioritizing safety with the right PPE ensures protection for both the machine operator and those nearby, making the CNC milling experience secure for everyone involved. To sum it up, having the right tools is very important for CNC milling success, especially if you're just starting. What tools have you found most valuable in your CNC journey? Are there specific aspects of CNC milling content you want to hear more? Share your insights in the comments section below. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.